Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my lecture. Dear students, today I would like to present the lecture on modifier exercise. You know, we have already finished the rules related and associated with this topic. Now we are going to exercise. So let's begin. My dear student, my elder sister is dash affectionate to me. Pre-modify the adjective with an intensifier. The students, here is mentioned in the blank, pre-modify the adjective with an intensifier. You know, whenever it is indicated intensifier in any sentence, then we need to use very, much, so, etc., just according to the meaning of the sentence. So we can write down here very. My elder sister is very affectionate to me, so we can write down very. You know, very is an adverb. So here it works as an intensifier. So we can write down very. My elder sister is very affectionate to me. She is a very dash lady. Here is indicated pre-modify the noun. The students, so whenever it is indicated or mentioned in the blank, pre-modify the noun. You know, we need to use adjective. We need to use adjective whenever it is indicated pre-modify the noun. In the blank, we need to use adjective just according to the meaning of the sentence. So what will be here? So here we can write down she is a very gentle lady. She advises me dash. She advises me dash my knowledge and skills. You know, here is mentioned first modify the verb with intensifier. First modify the verb. Yeah, students, you know, whenever it is indicated first modify the verb in the blank, then we need to use adverb, because we know adverb modifies verb. So we can write down here first modify the verb with an infinitive. Sorry, here is indicated infinitive. You know what is infinitive? First of all, you should know what is infinitive. 2 plus V1. 2 plus V1. So we can write down she advises me to increase my knowledge and skills. Okay, dear students, if you see in the blank, it's indicated first modify the verb with infinitive. So then you need to use 2 plus B1 just according to the meaning of the sentence. So we can write down to increase. She advises me to increase my knowledge and skills. She tells me to go to college dash. Here is indicated first modify the verb. Here we see first modify the verb mentioned in the blank. First modify the verb, you know, first modify the verb is modified by adverb. So whenever it is indicated first modify the verb, we need to use adverb. We need to use adverb in the blank just according to the meaning. I repeat it. When you see first modify the verb in the sentence, you need to use adverb. You need to use adverb just according to the meaning of the sentences. So what will be here? She tells me to go to college. She tells me to go to college regularly. Regularly, you can write down regularly. She tells me to go to college regularly. The students, in such a way, you have to study critically and carefully, following the rules related to this topic. dear students. Okay. The next sentence is given. Now we are going to read out the sentence with meaning. Then I'll try to use. She encourages me to follow the test path. In this sentence it is mentioned free modify the noun in the blank. In the blank it is mentioned free modify the noun. So whenever you see free modify the noun in the blank, you need to use adjective just according to the meaning of the sentence. So what will be here? So we can write down she encourages me to follow the right path. Right path. She also advises me dash towards other fellow students. It is mentioned in the box in the blank. First modify the verb with an infinitive phrase. Infinitive. Now you need to write infinitive phrase. So we can write down. She also advises me to be friendly. To be friendly. This is an infinitive phrase. The 2 plus V1 up to is called infinitive. Then friendly is added. So we can say that it's an infinitive phrase. 2 plus V1 plus other words. Infinitive phrase. So we can decide that if we see post modify the verb with an infinitive phrase, or if it is indicated infinitive phrase, we can use 2 plus V1 plus other words. That would be infinitive phrase. She is really a dash woman. Here we see free modify the noun. Free modify the noun. Free modify the noun. So we can write down here an adjective just according to the meaning of the sentence. So try to choose adjective that would be relevant to the meaning of the sentence. So what will be here? So we can write down here. She is really a nice woman. She's really a nice woman. She teaches me how to between right and wrong. First modify the verb with an infinitive. With an infinitive. There is mainly indicated infinitive. Now we need to use infinitive. That means 2 plus V1. Also, you should bear in mind that should be relevant to the meaning of the sentence. So we can write down here. She teaches me how to distinguish. Or you can write down to differentiate, how to distinguish between right and wrong. So how to we should write down 2 plus V1. 2 plus V1 up to is called infinitive to distinguish between right and wrong. She advises me to be dash human being. She advises me to be a dash human being. Here is mentioned pre-modify the noun. Advises me to be a dash human being, to be a perfect human being. You can write down perfect, a perfect human being. So if you see in the sentence, in the blank of the sentence it is mentioned pre-modify the noun. Then we need to use, or you can treat the word, you can treat an adjective. You can write down adjective. So we can write down to be a perfect human being. Tesha want to become a trustworthy man. Here is mentioned pre-modify with a present participle phrase. Present participle. Present participle means verb plus ing, and then phrase, that means it would be added some words with verb plus ing form. So we can write down I want to be a trustworthy, following his words, following his words, I want to become a trustworthy man. Following is following verb plus ing added with other words, his words. We can say that it's an present participle phrase. Present participle phrase, as it is added ing with the base form of the verb. Then added other words. Yeah, I mean his words. That means you can say this is an present participle phrase. The students, in such a way, you should study critically and carefully, following each and every rule relevant to the meaning of the sentences. If you do so, if you follow or if you study in such a way, I think you will be successful. You will be able to use properly in the script. There is no doubt about it. Today, thank you all. Thank you very much.